Wala boss yan, exclusive ni nga game, sa mga players sa Salvador, no? Exclusive to ML tournament. Sheesh! Alright guys, wapa na ako ibasa ilang mga ako, no? Hero, kimurag katok, yun ko.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battle.
Eto na, on the top ng X-Burner Curry na naman yung hero kanina sa second game. Siya yung nagpatapos ng laban, no? And we have our dev naman dito, Brody with Shin as Esmeralda as their core, and Guinevere Jed naman as their core pa rin. On the team bulwark with our Xavier Haji. And Chaos Tanker naman dito mga kapatid, no? Ang tuang tank. And DYM, XP Lane Joy lang sa kalam. And we have Gabby with Uranus. And si Twiz naman, of course, Novaya lang sa kalam. Sabi first bout pa lang, gigil showing their skills. Nakuha doon ng team grabe, easy cut lang German cut lang po si Kuya Joy nyo. Together with Dabi, exchanging German cut lang both sides. Eto merang may aagawan dito ng ating purple buff. Dabi pumasok doon. We have Chaos Tanker, no enough mana. And I think makukuha ba? Sino nakakuha doon ng purple buff? Yes, kuha pa rin ni Boss Shen, si Sexy Love ko. Ay, sorry. May Sexy Love nga pala yan. Ayan po mga kapatid. Three seconds for the first turtle. We will check kung sino kaya ang mag-take control for the turtle, no? Malaking bagay tong turtle, XP at saka gold ang maibibigay sa both all sa inyong team. Mana na lang. Lusay, naglisod manggod. Ayun, nakuha Retrigans ni Shen. Nakuha ni Shen. Delikado dito si Jed. Wala perfect SS coming from our Jed. Pero buhay na buhay pa yung ating GX Guinevere. Ayun, Choco mamamatay doon. And another kill. DYM is down. Joy. Gigil na gigil yung bulwarks dito guys, no? Grabe ka-trailing yung ganina nga game. Nasad na dasig si Sexy Love. Patay tayo dyan. Murag yaduan sa balayo, yadto gihilot ang mga baga o kuan. Mga likod buko-buko, no? Kinahanglan hiloton ta ka Sexy Love para matik. Ayun, nakita dito ni Jed. 6K yung Choco. Goma na walang tinamaan doon. Nagamit from 6K Choco. Mamamatay si Dev by X-Burner. Pero X-Burner will go down as well. Shen, who will take some kills doon. Oy, Chol, Edoria, guys! Shoutout sa Imudia Day. What's up? Kuya Bats is slowly back. Slowly lang tabalik sa atong hilig. No? Shoutcasting, playing. Dito sa tournaments, puhon. Yan. Eto na. Dito natin makikita yung mga laban. Papasok dito with a flicker. Tinamaan yun si Jed. Pero the ultimate easy get out now. Salamat kay Matinda Airlines. Nakuha pa rin ni Shen yung second time around the turtle. Sheesh, Dabi, Akuna at Uranus, hindi natatakot doon sa tatlo. Kalaban, sir. Pero the problem is, nakuha pa rin ni Shen yung ating turtle for the second time around. Look at the gold advantage. Walang gaanong gold advantage po on this match. Already almost 5 minutes. And the Clock of Destiny Xavier has been completed. A Heptasis for Brody. And we have Talisman for Novaria. And of course, Talisman din kay Esmeralda. Mr. Shen, no? Meanwhile, si Guinevere meron ng mga items. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa Molten Balls. Tinamaan doon 6K. Choco, perfect timing. Tinamaan with yung ultimate. Mamamatay doon. Dev with a perfect finish. OMG. Jed medyo nadidelay na po dito on the items. Ayun, Chaos Tanker in trouble. Umikot-ikot, Paterna Airlines. Flicker out, Easy get out. Meron mang ultimate coming from Brody. Grabe si Dev. Nag-flicker para lang maka-ultimate just to kill Matilda. Chaos Tanker. What a play. Ayan, what a perfect SS flicker na naman. Mamamatay Hajid. What a play coming from 6K. Choco, grabe. Pero ito, Dabi nagigigil si kuya mo. Ba't pinatay mo yung kasama ko? And we have Chaos together with our Dabi. Easy get out lang po. This is the third turtle po. No, dalawang turtle na napunta dito sa team. Nigma Ethereals. Eto na, 6K Choco. Nakita na naman, there's an ultimate. Jade nakabawi dito for yung X-Burner. Got kill for 6K Choco. Delikado ata dito si Jade, naka-ultimate yung DYM. Tumatakbo, oy, nahuli talaga. Double kill coming from Joy-Joy. 3 heroes against 1 is down in favor of the team Nigma Ethereals po. Galit na si Boss Dev. Oo nga, parang galit na si Boss Dev, guys. The Brody God. Sheesh! Eto na, huli na naman. JD in trouble. Grabe talaga si 6K Choco. Hinahanap talaga yung core ng ating bulwarks, guys. Grabe ka, well played. And kung saan kanila pag-stop ani kay DYM. Lisod kayo, lihok kay si Joy-Joy. Sinasayawan lang po ni Joy-Joy yung kalaban. Pero still, it's 8 minutes pa lang sa laban and it's only 40 gold advantage. Eto na naman, nahuli na naman dito si Dabi pero still alive. Unat Uranus yan. And Joy-Joy is dancing with a vengeance inside the tower na. Hinahabol. Papalag. Hahabulin kita. Wala ka ng ultimate. Grabe ka, paspas. Nag-view up. Dash-dash. Uy! 6K Yahweh. Eto na naman si 6K. Hahanap ng tempo. Ultimate coming from Shen. Tinaman dalawa doon. Pero inside the tower, may kill si Dev. Grabe yung ultimate coming from Brody. Sheesh! Ito ang tinatawag na ang pagbabalik ba ng Nigma Ethereals o mangyayari yung nangyari kanina sa second game. Ito na Shin against 6K Chaos Tanker. A perfect choose pala to kay aming from Shin, guys, no? Kasi magiging mawalang bisa yung skills ni Matilda, no? Mawala ang effect yung skills kay Matik man ang damage siya ni Shen. Di naman mo agig shield. Eto na naman, look at the damage coming from TYM. Sakita nag-damage si Joy. Naka-genius and a glowing wand na. Concentrated pa yun. Anak ko po. Eto na. Dito yata mahihirapan yung Team Bulwarks guys. Pero don't worry. Pumasok na naman. Tinamaan na naman yung ating kaibigan doon. Walang iba ko si Hajid. What a play coming from 6K Choco. Pero mamamatay din siya. Shin naman keep on pushing with his skills. Eto Shin tatakbo papalayo. Hinahabol. He will still be alive. He will goes down. Bumawi, unstoppable Dev. Brody lang pala. Unti-unti yung... Naku po, grabe si Brody. Hinay-hinay may tugsok ang kalaban. In muna na yung ginatawag karon na how we are going to defend that base. My lord, first lord pa man eh. It's easy lang, okay lang, kaya lang, laban lang. It's not yet over. It's only 8k gold advantage. Oh, what a flicker na naman, nahuli na naman doon. X-Burner, godlike, grabe talaga si X-Choco. Ibang klaseng Copra Gods. Baka yawi yan. Magkaroon na. How we are going to defend. Unya na ang replay guys. Kay murag delikado kayo pakita ang replay. Ikapila na gibuhat ni Mr. 6K Choco no. Eto na, nakapuliki nagdepensa ang bottom, murag mabuskag na. Dancing na naman DYM, X-Burner tatakbo lang po papalayo. Pop up yung vengeance dito. And still ayun, bumalik agad. DYM is in trouble right now. Mamamatay ba siya o mabubuhay? Still alive. DYM is there. 3 will goes down by Hajids. A ray gun shot. Eto na, pumapalag na Dev in trouble dito. Papalayo. Hinabol ni Chaos Tanker. Dev will goes down because Dapian doon lang pala. Eto na, pumabawi na dito yung Bulwarks guys. Sheesh. Ray gun. That was a perfect 3 hero down on the side of Team Nigmas. Pasikat man kay Kalab, 6K Choco. Sheesh, baka talaga 6K Choco. Eto na. Chaos Tanker guys, they are gaining some strength dito on the team. What a burst damage coming from DYM. Sumasayaw lang. Lifesteal lang po. Double kill na siya. Siya Raisato ha. Upat kabuk kalaban. DYM andun pa rin sa harap. And his teammate is trying to kill the Lord na. And we will check. Meron bang ultimate? Walang ultimate doon yung ating Haji. Pero may retry din. Bumawi agad for a 2 kills hero. Nako. Parang, another play coming from 6K Choco. Kakaiba talaga. Yawi moves. Wala na nga ginamit na ultimate. Sabog yung mid lane ngayon. Naka-killing spree na. DYM, X-Burner, galit na galit. He will try to kill. He will goes down. Grabe. Kakatukan, nagugkus kagwapo. Ay, wala po na ako na-save. Anak ng tinola. Sayang to, wala ako na-save. Diri sa gika, no? About tower. Ayu other, and here we go. 6K Choco na naman. And Shin, papasok ba? Gagamitin ba yung ultimate? Yes, sir. Relax lang. Wala pang Lord, Kuya Vance. Antay lang tayo. Eto na, kompleto na yung heroes on the Team Bulwarks, guys. Meanwhile, Kula, the damage coming from Hajid. Unsa na may item ni Xavier, guys, no? The Clock of Destiny lighting together with Talisman. Grabe, sir! Nakafocus tayo kay Choco ha. We will check on how he going to be. Meron siyang flicker. Oy! Napandol man. Wala na pod. Eto na, Joy. Nako, delikado ka dyan, sir. Alis ka dyan. There you go. Naiwasan! What a play coming from X-Burner. Pero the damage, andun pa rin yung kalaban. Wala silang magagawa doon. X-Burner will goes down. Ikaw to kanina, high moment ipilde. Ling bawi ng gigil ang kalaban. 6K Choco andun sa side. Still alive pa naman si Jed dito, guys. The damage, not enough. With the help of the tower. Eto na, they'll try to defend Dappy. Punat-punat din si Uranus natin diyan. And there you go. Jumping rope. 6K Choco. The tower. Look at the tower, guys. Focusing. Dev! Tinapos yung game 3 natin para push forward for game 4. Sheesh!
Victory!
Oh, grabe! Game 4, guys! Game 4!
Subscribe.